Hi everyone! As always, this is your reliable local appliance repair company, Appliance Fix Lab. I'm your technician Evgen, speaking from the beautiful city of Winnipeg. Our team at Appliance Fix Lab proudly services Winnipeg, specializing in Whirlpool appliance repair and maintenance, including refrigerator, freezer, dishwasher, washing machine, dryers, ovens, and more. Today's service call brought us right to the border between North End and West Kildonan, where we were called to repair a Whirlpool washing machine. The reason for the call: the washer wasn't starting after pressing the start button, and it displayed the error code F5 E2. This F5 E2 Whirlpool washer error code means the door lock didn't engage properly. There can be several reasons for that: a mechanical obstruction, a faulty door lock assembly, damaged wiring, or a defective main control board. I begin with a visual inspection. No obstacles were preventing the door from locking. The latch and lock locked fine. Using a multimeter, I confirmed that the wiring was intact and that the control board was sending the correct signal to the door lock mechanism. After a full diagnostic, I conducted that the door lock needed to be replaced. To replace the lock, I removed the rear access panel and unscrewed two mounting screws, giving me access to the lock assembly, wiring, and the control that leads to the main control board. I disconnected the old lock and wiring harness, removed the connector, and installed the new door lock assembly. Then I secured the wiring and reconnected everything properly. Before reassembling the washer, I ran a test cycle to make sure everything was working correctly. After installing the new door lock, the washer now locks the door and starts the cycle normally. No more F5 E2 error. Once I confirmed the repair was successful, I reassembled the washer and performed a final functionality check of all components. Success! The Whirlpool washing machine repair is complete, and it's now running smoothly again. That's it for today's service call. Before I go, don't forget to subscribe to the Appliance Fix Lab YouTube channel. We post new videos about appliance repair and maintenance in Winnipeg, Toronto, and nearby areas. Hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more professional appliance repair tips from our team. Together we will fix any problem, whether you are in Winnipeg or Toronto. See you soon, take care. This is Evgen from Appliance Fix Lab, signing off.